Hey everybody, thanks for coming by. Today we have FabFitFun. I haven't opened my box yet, so I don't know what I got for all the variations, but I have all of my add-ons and everything looks good, so let's get in here and see what we've got for our winter FabFitFun box. I cannot wait to see what I've got. I just love their boxes. It's wintry and it's blue and it's pretty. It's packed so nicely. Yay! All right. Let's get in here. As usual, we have the book that comes with it every month. So with FabFitFun, there are several options. They give you the opportunity when it first comes out to customize. And when you customize, you can do, if you do it soon enough in the process, you can do additional selections. And I did that because with a few of these, I wanted more than one of the selections they were offering. So let's get right into it. First thing is the Mark & Graham Throw. Right. It is just a lovely, it's very soft. It's really soft. It's a Colorblock beige. So it's just a, some people have called it a throw scarf. I do not think that I will, I don't think this will be my look. I think probably this will be my look. I think probably it will live nicely behind so that when you're sitting you can throw it over your shoulders and be nice and warm. So that's pretty. The variation on that was you could also get it in gray. To be able to select from the two of those, you have to be an annual member, and I am not an annual member. Okay, so the next selection was you could either have the Bear Paw combo set, or, and this was the add-on that, actually, this was the additional selection. The original selection I picked was the hair mask, but we'll circle back to that because this was what was in my box. I selected the hair mask. And I guess as long as you get both of them, who cares how they get the mask on. But this is the Bear Paw set, and it is a headband to keep you nice and warm, and the gloves that also have the mitten parts that can flip up over you. And I just thought, you know, if they're calling for a really cold winter, and why not have an extra set? But it's very soft. The actual selection that I made, you know what? I've done all of this without glasses so far, and that is why I'm struggling. So let's amend that. Hi. Thanks for coming. Okay, this is the Moroccan Gold Series Treatment Mask. And this was the actual selection. Like I said, it was between the, the throw they say is worth, see, glasses are so helpful. The throw they say is worth $49, and then you could select between this, which is $49, and the Bear Paw set, which they say is $45. But this is what I, because with winter, my hair has started turning so dry. So I'm, oh, there's no seal on it. Kind of surprised. Oh, it smells nice. It just smells kind of like shea butter. It's really whipped up and nice, but let's try and get that back on there. So yay, that's very cool. I hope that it makes my hair all nice and soft. But anyway, so those were those two selections, and I got both. The next choices were, you could select the Halston Jewelry portfolio, the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo, which is what I selected, or the Lily Sadoughi Silver Circle Necklace. I selected the Oribe. I noticed that they put the necklace in my box because my Oribe was treated like an add-on selection. But let's go ahead and get in this beautiful necklace. So they said that the Halston Folio, which I didn't, that was $48. The Oribe Dry Shampoo was $44, and this necklace was $49. So let's see what we have here. It's in a very cute, and it comes out and ta-da! Is it looking good? It is! It's really pretty. Okay, so that's very pretty. I think I'm actually going to give this as a present, which is why I purchased it. So we'll treat that very nicely. Put it back over here. And what I actually wanted was, for me, the Oribe. And I've tried several Oribe products, and I have loved the Oribe products. I am probably going to order their shampoo and conditioner because I haven't tried any of that yet. But this is the Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. It's a huge bottle. They say it is $44. Honest, I would not spend $44 on a dry shampoo at the store unless it's fantastic, and then one never knows. But this is what I wanted of those selections, and it's very nice. My hair is freshly done. I guess we could, you know what, we could spray it. We could spray it and see what it smells like. Ooh. Very nice. You know, all of the Oribe products smell so good. They always leave you feeling clean and shiny, and I love them. So that's why I had to have this product. Okay, our next selections were either the pair of over-the-knee textured socks, which I have really moved past the over-the-knee sock time of my life. So you could then choose from the Sherrie Matthews Acupuncture Jade Stone Roller or the Pure Be Your Selfie palette. I picked the Jade roller, but they treated it like the add-on. And as the add-on, I did the Pure palette as a gift. That is this. Yay! This is all stacked. I'm coming up on the stuff that I don't know. This has all been kind of stuff that I kind of know. This is the Be Your Selfie palette. Create endless looks in this 9-well eyeshadow palette. It looks really neutral, and I had a specific person in mind for it that I thought this might be nice in their life. Very pretty. Pure Be Your Selfie. Oh yeah, this is just a real basic neutrals. Hope you're getting that. There we go. Very pretty. Excellent. And the selection for me was the Jade roller. I've heard good things. I've heard bad things. That was in my add-ons. It is the Sherrie Matthews Jade roller. I don't know whether I'm going to like it. They say put your serum on your face or your moisturizer if you don't use a serum. And then roll this over your face. Let's see what this says. It says it's an anti-aging beauty tool that's been used by empresses for centuries. It helps stimulate key energy and promotes a feeling of facial relaxation. Oh, I got a pretty one. It's very pretty. They all look a little different. I've seen lighter ones and darker ones, and yeah, they don't roll. Maybe they... Oh, it's so cold. I don't know if it's making me... Do I look younger yet? How about under your eyes? This is where I thought, this little dude from down here, I thought, oh yeah, that cool does feel nice. I can imagine, like, if you did that first thing in the morning. I like it. We'll see. I don't know that it's gonna... I think it might just be one of those things that you use because you like the way it feels. I don't know if it really does anything for you, but I couldn't not try it. It's so trendy. Okay, so the socks would have been $24. The Jade Stone Roller, they say, is $45. I think you can find them less expensive than that. And the Pure Be Your Selfie palette is $36. Okay, moving on to things we had no choice over. The next selections were you would either get the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick, the Chic and Tonic Isle Coast to That 4-piece wood coaster set, and the Brooke Beauty body sliders. I know my inner self said you should get the body sliders. My outer self said you should hope I get the lipstick. I got the lipstick. Yay. It is Bite Beauty in Meringue. Let's see what that means. Light, dark, in the middle. Exciting. Cute little bullet. Oh, totally wearable color for me. So exciting. Oh, that's pretty. It's just a nude. It's so creamy and nice. I love it. Yay. All right. With those three choices, this was $26. The coasters were $18 and the Brooke was $18. So one I wanna. It's also the one I wanted, regardless of price. I love it when it works out like that. Okay, so the next one that you didn't have a choice of if you're not an annual member was the Way of the Will Elevate Essential Oil Set or the Anthropologie X Mercy and Company Sea Whip Body Cream. I got the Elevate. This is a Way of the Will. It is sweet orange and eucalyptus oil. This box already smells so good. Oh my goodness, that orange is incredible. So let's just take one out and see what we got. This, oh yay, it's the sweet orange. This is what they look like. Very cute. Doesn't seem to be sealed, so I can just open it. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like a freshly peeled orange. I wish we had smell-o-vision. It smells so good, guys. Okay, so this would have been $31, and the Anthropologie body cream would have been $24. I was on the fence. I really didn't care which one of these I got. I would probably have used either one. Okay, so you get all of the last ones. And this is the highlighting stick by Thrive Causemetics. It's a Brilliant Eye Brightener Ring Light Technology. Well, I don't have a ring light yet, which would explain my bad lighting. But let's see what this does for you. It's just a little pencil, you know. Can you see that, guys? Actually, I think you can. Yeah, there it is. There's some bright. Oh, there. Oh, perfect. There we go. There's some bright to it. Did my nose get brighter? These are all the places they tell you to highlight that I never highlight. Okay, that's cool. This is, they say that you can, it's it's infused with macadamia and metafoam oil. Kind of allergic to macadamia nuts, but I'm sure it'll be fine. This silky champagne eye brightener instantly highlights and brightens your eyes. And it talks about using it in the inner corners. Okay, well, that's very exciting. I suspect I can use it on my face. I kind of wish I had put it on my lips, but I'm sure it'll be fine, so nobody panic yet. We'll just press on. Next, we have a Ahave Hydration Cream Mask. Very cool. So it says that this will infuse and nourish thirsty skin. It's a rich, creamy texture, and you put it on for 3 to 5 minutes. Actually, it says you can leave it on overnight. Oh, it smells nice. I did it like you're going to smell it again. Oh, smells nice. Do you agree? Yeah, just kind of clean, like Ahave does. Very cool. And the last one is, I have the Blaq eye mask with hyaluronic acid. Late nights, too many cheeky wines, let's not forget those carb-on-carb delights can have our peepers looking, well, not so fresh. So you put these on and then you're fresh. I might have cut to the end of that story, but it might be what the box says. You don't know. So you get 5 packets of these. Very cool. I've been doing mask videos, so we'll add this to the how great do they make our eyes look pile of masks to try. And that is it. That is all that was in the box. Now for add-ons, I also did the Spongelle in Mandarin Mint, and it's just a sponge. Aw, he's flower shaped. Oh, it smells so good. Whoop. And it's a body wash infused buffer. I also got the Skin&Co Roma Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with truffle extract. It's black truffle extract and sweet almond oil. So, okay, so it's just a little really thick, creamy, which is what you would want to clean. Of course, now I'm going to have this on me. So, really thick, creamy cleanser. Just smell, it feels, oh my goodness. It feels more like a lotion than a cleanser, but it smells, oh, it smells so good. It smells, is there no coconut in it? It smells a little coconutty to me. You can definitely smell the almond oil. It has black truffle extract, sweet almond oil, mallow leaf extract, chamomile extract, and Centella asiatica extract. It smells so good. I hope that that fragrance isn't an issue, but oh my goodness, it smells fantastic. And last, I got the, for an add-on, because, you know, I'm all about the masks these days. I got the lippy ones. It's 5 of these from KNC Beauty. So, I'm anxious to try this. So, I'll have my under eyes. I'll have my lips. It'll all be perfect. So, that is FabFitFun for this month. I have presents for me. I have presents for other people. I feel quite generous because I'm sharing my FabFitFun. I have a $10 thing to pass on to somebody else. It said online that my value of my box was $460. When you sign up, you can get the first month generally for $39.99, and then after that it's $49.99. So that's what this was. But then I also did the additional selections, and it looked like they had those included because additional selections only cost you $10. Yeah, that cost me $80 because the $50 for the box and then the $30 for the 3 additional selections I did. But anyway, you look at it, almost $500 worth of product for less than $100. It's fantastic. You can't beat it. Thanks for coming by. That's our FabFitFun box for winter, and I will see you soon. I just heard the delivery guy, and I'm pretty sure that's my BoxyCharm looks. See you soon.